Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad ki sangma ong baka seng Kongres kadeka seng kebalaya pat ya pralupana po yang bat kam dan kam ye ki jingarap jung ki bor ki banabar bakin ya pat ya pra. Ban keren syai dan kam ya no ya nuru ban na kabenta ban penpat penprai ki namar kila day lupa ki baya pat ya pra ong Konrad haba keren syai kilat patai ku bor hak artarik no pra haba jubab halor ka jingkeno jung presiden ke MPCC Uba Vincent H. Pala, baka jingtmu ban thaw ya ka North East Front, kadai ka bala kershan da ka BJP, ban penyapat ya ki kinhun ka baya lep persya ya ka BJP hapo kathan. Konrad ula keno ru baka kongres kadai ka badan ya ki jingap her jingmud halayang, bat ki badan laki jong ki jingtmu. Kumta ka kongres kadai ka balaya pat ya pra pura na po yang. Kidon ya ki jingap her jingmud, kila banya syong haka juk kami bat ya keren. Henry napo kidon ya lagi jong ke jing temu hala ka jong ka linti ula ong haba pen pau. Ngila ya keren ya ki babun na ki haba pen pau dak basyai. Kadai ka yeng ka baya pat ya pralupa. Kimdan kamengi banang pihak syuk ya ki. Kalong ka basngo benyau ba presiden ka MPCC un kentok kumni. Uni uklik du ka NPP ula banjur baka parti jong ka penlet jingmod haka jingateli bat ban syakri ya upat ba haka jaka banyalek persya ya kiwei. Na kabenta jongi kum ka parti ngi pen pau syai kedar bat ngila ongru haba syai bangim dan hangni banyalek persya ya nuru Henry ngi dan hangni na kabenta ban wanra ya ka jingateli bat ban pa ya ka khubor jo ka jingateli hapo ka than barok ka wei ula benram. Barabor ngila banjur bangi don ya kajingan bagi jela kathan syatai la mingi bar kijat bin riyo bopher kidai banya trailang na kabenta ka jimuntoy ka bakham bhajong kathan namar andapoy haka kamsan perthai kadai satang ladang ya tali bat dantang kawai ka kinhun ka badai tang ka nikalenti ka bangin la ban punsngo ya ka khubor jongi hakari bat ban syakri ya ki beriyo jongi hakarukom ka bakham bha syuk ula ong haba benram ngidon hangni ban aya ka kubor ka babha kata ban penyateli bat pha ya ka kubor jo ka jingateli jong ka than baro ka wei. Menteri Rangba ula banjur ru ya ka jingkong san jong ki jela ka than syatai la mingi ban yatri lang bat penmi ya ka wei ka kinhun ka ban la ban kenjo ya ka thong bat ban aya ka jing syakri ka bakham bha ya la ki jong ki beriyo.
No, I read the statement about what the MPCC had mentioned, saying that it is working towards dividing the non BJP votes. That's what I recall that he said. The point is that to be very blunt, nobody needs to work to divide them. They're already divided. So the Congress is completely divided within. You have differences. They may be sitting on the same table and talking, but internally they have their own plans separately. We are in quite touch with many of them, to be very frank. So it's an internally divided house already. So they don't need us to further divide them as such. So it's quite unfortunate that the MPCC president has made a comment like that. But it's okay. That is their personal view and opinion. For us as a party, we are very clear and we have said it very openly that we are not here to fight against anybody. Neither are we here to oppose anybody. We are here from a positive perspective to unify and send a message of unity for the region as a whole. We have always stressed that we believe that the Northeast states and communities must work together in the larger interest of the region, because when it comes to political space, it is only when we are united and present a united front, that's the only way we are able to ensure that we are able to carry our message across and always serve our people in a much more better manner. So we are here to give a positive message. We are not here to be negative or to break anybody or to fight against anybody. We are only here to serve the people of our communities and of the states and of the region as a whole.